If you're stuck in that annoying something went wrong loop on Twitter or X when trying to log out and log back in, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into your account without wasting time. This is a super common browser and session issue, and in many cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, close all X or Twitter tabs that are currently open in your browser. This is important because any old session tabs can keep conflicting with the login process. Once everything is closed, open a fresh new tab and go directly to x.com. Starting fresh helps remove any broken page state that may be causing the loop. Now, on your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This opens your browser's Clear Browsing Data menu. Here, you want to select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. These are the two main things that usually cause login loops when they become corrupted or stale. After selecting them, click Delete Data and let the browser finish clearing everything. When that's done, close your browser completely, not just the tab. Make sure every window is shut down, then reopen the browser from scratch. This forces a clean restart of your session. After that, go back to x.com and try logging in again. In many cases, that alone will fix the error. If you still see the same something went wrong message, the next thing to try is an incognito or private window. Open one of those and go to x.com again. Incognito mode is useful because it ignores many stored cookies, extensions, and cached files, which makes it easier to tell whether the problem is coming from your browser data. If the login still fails, temporarily disable any VPNs, proxies, or browser extensions you have running. Sometimes security tools or ad blockers interfere with X's authentication process. If you have multiple extensions installed, even one of them can be enough to trigger the loop. Turn them off for a moment, reload x.com, and try signing in again. Another really helpful step is trying a different browser. If you normally use Chrome, try Edge or Firefox. If you normally use Firefox, try Chrome instead. The goal here is to see whether the issue is browser specific. If you can log in on one browser but not another, then the problem is likely tied to cookies, cache, or an extension in the original browser. Now, if you're specifically stuck in a logout login loop on X, there's one more targeted fix you should use. While you're on x.com, click the site icon next to the address bar. Then open Site Settings. From there, choose Delete Data. This clears the data just for X, which is often more effective than clearing everything in the browser. After that, reload the page and sign in again. If none of the steps work right away, don't panic. Sometimes X itself triggers temporary authentication errors on its side. In that case, the best thing to do is wait 30 to 60 minutes and try again later. A lot of login loops resolve themselves once the server-side issue clears. So to quickly recap, close all X tabs, clear cookies and cache, restart your browser, try incognito, disable VPNs and extensions, test another browser, and if needed, clear site data specifically for X. These steps solve most something went wrong login loops on Twitter or X. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.